thanks to KlaiyiHair. Shout out to KlaiyiHair. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. They sent me these beautiful, amazing kinky straight hair bundles. They sent me 4 bundles, 24 inch and 22 inch. I only end up using 2 bundles, the 2 22 inches, which y'all see in the video. But oh my god, all of this hair is just so gorgeous, so soft, so pretty, amazing quality. I love KlaiyiHair. So make sure to check that link in the description box so you can get your hands on some KlaiyiHair. Get your hands on these kinky straight bundles, girl. You see it, we are about to make some custom clip-ins real quick because y'all know we ain't got the time, okay? No sewing because ain't nobody got the time. Like, how do you find it? I got on a whole watch and I still can't find the time. So for those of y'all who ain't got the time like me, honey, this is definitely for you, y'all. If you a clip-in girl, if you ain't a clip-in girl, you probably gonna be a clip-in girl after this video because I am so in love with these clip-ins. Like, y'all, I even think I like this install more than the braidless just because it's so like, it's so easy. Y'all seen that braidless sewing took me forever and a day. Making these clip-ins and installing them was like literally no time at all. So I'm so excited to show y'all how to get you some quick custom clip-ins, no sewing. So yes, girl, let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's jump straight into it with the supplies that you're gonna need for the clip-ins. I got these from Sally's for $5.99 a pack. I only end up using 4, 2 smalls and 2 larges. I got this hot glue gun. That is what we're making these clip-ins with. And glue sticks, very cheap, okay? That's all the supplies you need. That's it, that's all. So now it's time to get these customized. I just want to show y'all here that I am going to be doubling my wefts for a nice full look. And to customize your clip-ins, all you got to do is measure. Like, literally, that's it. It's not as hard as it sounds. Just measure where you would be putting your clip-ins. Cut them and just, you know, go all the way up. So doubling your wefts is definitely optional. Like I said, I'm doing mine because I want a nice full look. So you just want to put the hot glue on, put them tracks together, and klabam, you got a nice full weft. So for my smaller tracks, I'm gonna start off with the small wig clips. I'm just taking that wig clip, making sure it's closed. That's so important when you gluing these things on. Make sure they close first. And just put that little dab of do-ya and smush that thing right on in there. Don't smush it because you're going to make a mess. I made a mess with the first one that I did. So don't smush it. Just lightly place it on there to where it, you know, sticks and it's all good. So bam, look at that, honey. Like, you got a whole clip in, you ain't have to sew nothing. I was so worried about this not working though because of the glue. So I did a little test one and I was like, wait a minute, like, is this gonna really work? Like, I've honestly never seen this done before. I just thought of this in my head. I'm sure I'm not the first person to have done this, but for me, I just had it in my head to like try this out one day. So I was concerned about the clips not really like snapping, or like if I snap them, won't it like pop off because like the glue, like, will it hold? So girl, I did a little test. Look at that, y'all see it, snap, ain't no problems, no issues. Like, yes, give me the hot glue, give me the hot glue. So with my longer tracks where I could fit maybe like 3 to 4 clips, I went ahead and used my large wig clips. So this last track that I'm about to show y'all is definitely key, how you want to put that glue on. Do it like sections at a time, not like the whole strip like I was doing on the previous tracks. And I learned that as I was going along because that glue, it dries so quick that if you do the whole strip and you let it sit for just a second, it's already dried up and you got to redo it or you know it's coming apart. So yeah, just do it like little spaces at a time and boom, perfect. But yes, doing it like this, I've had no issues at all with the tracks coming apart or the clips. I haven't had any clips fall off or anything. The glue is super sturdy, more sturdy than I thought, honestly. Some of y'all might be wondering if you can get these wet. Now honestly, I don't know, I haven't tried it yet. I haven't washed my clip-ins yet, but I can tell y'all that I have made so many wigs with my hot glue gun, and baby, them things hold up. I done drenched them in water, shampooed them, and they ain't going nowhere. You might have to refresh, you know, a track or two from time to time, but they good to go. So yes, girl, yes, those are our clip-ins. I made sure to place them in order just like this, from the back of my head to the front. And I also had a couple of single additional clip-ins just for like the top part of my hair so it don't look so bulky at the top. But here are my clip-ins, y'all. Like, oh my god, this was so quick to do these. It's insane. So now it's time to style the clippies, y'all. Y'all seen that video where I showed y'all the extension styler where I'm bringing the thing back out? I told y'all I'm gonna be using this so much. I love the extension styler. So I just place my clip-ins. I put like maybe 4 at a time in each thing. And yeah, I'm just going in with my argan oil, my flat iron on 455 degrees because I did want to sleek these out. Like, that's the thing I love about this kinky straight hair, y'all. This silk out is just like the bomb is silk out. Like, it's just not that super silky, you know what I'm saying, but it's that yucky silky, and I just feel like that is so, I love me a yucky silk, okay? It matches my hair texture so good, which y'all will see in just a minute. But this hair flat iron is so good, and it's so thick. I just love this hair, y'all. So now it is time to install them. My hair is flat ironed on 325 degrees. I didn't want to have like a really silky look. I just tried to keep my hair as yucky as possible. I have my clip-ins all in order, ready to go. As you can see, I got a perfect fit, custom clippies, okay? Period poo. And I'm just gonna install them like regular, and bam, boo, that's it. I just wanted to point out right here, I did use the single tracks, like I said, so it wouldn't be like bulky at the top. So that's how I finished them off. She's blending, she's giving a good blend, she's giving a good, this is my hair. And now I'm going in doing some face framing layers, and I'm also gonna cut this hair just a little bit because 22 inches was just too long for me. It was too long for my hair, like with clip-ins and like, you know, installs where your hair is like left out. You want to have like a length that don't look too crazy. So I bumped it a little bit, give me a little 90s bump. Bam, she's cute, she's styling. Like, girl, what? Clip-ins where? Look at that blend, crazy. Y'all, love this hair so freaking much. Don't mind me while I feel myself completely today because, baby, this Klaiyi hair, y'all, is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, I am so in love with this hair. It's so soft, it's so full, as y'all can see. It matches my hair perfectly. Like, girl, y'all, the bundles right here, these kinky straight bundles are absolutely amazing. I don't have nothing negative to say at all about these bundles. Y'all can see the installation was super quick, and there we go, cute for the day. Okay, girl, I don't even know what else to say. I'm just gonna sit here and flip this hair for the rest of our little meeting because what? Who is is she? So making your clip-ins with hot glue definitely works. As y'all can see, they in there. They ain't going nowhere, okay, unless I unsnap them and take them out. I do have some left over here, just like some pieces I cut. I didn't get like a perfect measure on all of them, so some of them I kind of like, some of them I would like cut off, you know, one clip or whatever. And I just got, you know, some little extras here. But y'all, like, get into it. Come through, hot glue gun clip ins. This is it. This is it. I'm so happy with how these clip ins turned out. I'm so happy with this hair. Once again, check that description box for all of KlaiyiHair's hair information. Get you some kinky straight, okay? If you're here for it too, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Also, follow me on Instagram, okay? I see y'all got me to 30K. Thank y'all so much. Follow me on Instagram at Tierra. Twitter, I be on there talking my shit, acting a little grown. So follow me on Twitter, all that good stuff. I hardly be on Facebook, but hey, go ahead and follow me there too. By the way, y'all, I gotta show off this dress I got on. I just gotta show y'all because who is she? Shout out to my girl Robin. Shout out to her boutique, Sincerely Blake Boutique. She sent me some items and this dress was one of them. I am so in love with this dress. This is screaming like date night. Girl, this is screaming ground. This is just screaming all of that. I'll leave her information down below as well because she got me, you know what I'm saying, feeling real cute and ground today. I don't know who she think she is. Like, hold on. Let me leave and come back because I can't be looking this cute. I can't. That's the camera playing tricks. Wait a minute. Cause hold on. She is not looking this cute. You better stop playing with me today.